Hello RC enthusiasts, this is John Foster RC here, and welcome to my new unboxing video. This is the SCA-1E kit. This is from the Carisma Adventure Scale RC. This is the Range Rover bodywork on this one with the deluxe kit, so get a few extra pieces with the deluxe kit which will go in later. And just thought I'd reveal what my next project will be. An exciting one it will be. Just having a quick look through. This is the box in which it comes in, as you can see there. It's a nicely packed box. It's well presented, and as you can see from the detailing here, there we are. That's really nice, and we're going to unbox it. And as you can see here, these comes with the CNC wheels. You do need a motor, an ESC, a servo, some radio gear, battery, paint, some shock oil, and tools to build this kit. Most of us hobby guys, we already have the tools, shock oil and things like that. And I actually have specifically purchased a 2.4 gigahertz radio ready for this. I also have purchased a servo, ESC and motor as well, which I'll reveal later. But yeah, this is a nice kit. Not built one of these before, and wanted something that looked nice and scale-like. So we'll unbox and see what's inside the box. See you in a moment with the magic of filming. So as you unbox it, you have the outer sleeve and then the main box. Main box. Lots of goodies. Those lovely alloy wheels, nice all-terrain tyres, and that bodywork. So I'm going to remove all these items and put them onto the hobby table so we can all have a look and see what's inside the box of the SCA-1E chassis. Here we go, and by the magic of film. And here it is. You of course get the manual, how to build, the Allen key, a box wrench. Looks to be quite a plasticky, I think it's a plastic box wrench by the looks of things. Just so happens I use a better one than that. And then of course, because this is the deluxe version, you get those lovely authentic alloy wheels. You get the tyres, all-terrain tyres, and then bags A, B, C, all the way through. And you get, last but not least, one of the larger bags, bag J. And again, as it's a deluxe model, the kit does come, I don't know if you can see through there, comes with ball bearings already as well, and decals, and of course this fantastic Range Rover, body. Got to have a look at that Range Rover body more close up, so we can have a little look. Hold on there for me, and then unwrap it and let's have a look. So here it is, the Range Rover body. Looks lots of nice detail on this body. That nice typical front end that you get from the Range Rover. That 5-door, that's quite a large body. Very scale. So you've got some cutting of the wheel arches to do here. And that lovely tailgate. Wow. I'm going to enjoy this. And that rear quarter panel. Lovely. And you also get, see if I can, there you go, look at those decals, they look lovely. Wow, looks like I've got lots of work to do here. I will be putting some LEDs into this kit as well. I'd like to have my LEDs switched from my controller. And they give you window masks, so you can window mask the windows like a smoke effect. Probably going to leave mine. I'm going to leave mine clear. I'm going to attempt to put an interior in mine to make it a little bit more scale-like. And of course, you do get for painting the actual internal window masks as well. Yeah, looking forward to doing that too. And you also get a rear bumper. You get the front bumper and valance, very scale-like. Yep, there you go, upside down, do apologise. There you go. Front grille, and you notice there's holes here for LEDs, which is really nice. Okay, you do get the ball bearing set as well. You also get various details like the wing mirrors, light buckets, rear view mirror, and even scale windscreen wipers. Wow, absolutely. Just sort of looking ahead of that, just have a look and see. Is that one in there or was that two? We'll have to see. Unbelievable. Wow. And some various plastic parts. Looks like headlight clusters, tail light clusters, glass and things. So yeah, make it as real as you possibly like. Yeah, there you are. So that's the Range Rover Deluxe model, SCA-1E in the kit form, and that's the box unveiling. Thank you very much indeed. And looking forward to putting this one together. So for the bodywork, the main colours of the bodywork I've chosen is this metallic white. It's going to be the main colour of the bodywork. I'm going to then use some of the black to highlight some of the areas for the blacks. So the white colour is going to get backed with the silver, and then once it's backed with the silver, I'm going to back it with black as well. So you're going to get top coat, the metallic white. I'm going to back that with a silver just to make sure that the white is nice and vibrant, and then back it with black as well. And also the black I'm going to use for some of the highlighting areas along the bodywork. And for the shock absorbers, which is the very first step, bought some silicone oil. I bought a 300 weight, sort of medium, sort of softish. See how we go. Bought this again through the internet, eBay seller, very good eBay seller. Gonna give that a try. And for some of the electronic side of things, as you may have saw a video earlier, I've got a servo that I'm going to use. May need to upgrade the servo, but I'll try this one first of all. I'm going to put this in the servo, and last but not least, I've got this brushed system. This is a crawler motor and ESC kit from Surpass. This is also got the programming card for it as well. Yeah, you get a nice 5-pole motor, 16 turns, so it's not much difference, but hopefully that should give some control for the speed. And the EFC, I've actually put a plug on this already because I've got a Tamiya style plug at the moment, so I've used the Tamiya style plug, and so I've put that on. If I do change the batteries, I'll change this out. And as you can see, in preparation for my LEDs, I've placed a JST. But yeah, this is also LiPo compatible, so you've got little jumpers that you can set on there, and you do get I actually purchased a programming card as well. And there you have it, that's the programming card as well. So we can program some of the parameters using the system. Plugged into your ESC. I'll plug in through here, and then we can program the ESC to give us the parameters we're looking for, braking, etc. So yeah, this is a all-round kit that I bought, and we'll also see later on how it performs. Lots of work to do though before we get that far.